inertial motion sensor. An inertial motion sensor uses the inertia of a mass to measure linear accelerations and angular velocities. With the Moover, it is possible to analyze the body movements, evaluating the geometric angular displacements. An example of these measurements is the evaluation of the range of motion. Let us place the sensor on the patient's forehead and ask him to make rotation, flexion, extension, and right and left tilting movements. Now we can evaluate the patient's cervical range of motion.
Specifically, the study of cervical ROM is very useful in situations where the patient reports pain symptoms that can be attributed to postural problems that inevitably also affect the cervical spine.
Through this measurement, the operator can quantify exactly each joint's excursion in an objective and repeatable manner. On the way to rehabilitation and functional recovery, cyclical measurements will provide the professional with a regular feedback on the results achieved in mobility terms by each joint. With this method, by correctly applying the sensor to each terminal portion of the articular segment to be tested, it is possible to measure each body joint, both in active and in passive way. The data given by the measurement are the total movement amplitude, the maximum excursion, the average of the excursions, and the movement normal values, highlighted according to the current reference literature.
The range of motion study, both cervical and of all other joints, allows the operator to evaluate the patient's progress over time and to objectify his analysis, making the work process scientific and measurable.